I'm going to show you basic editing in PowerPoint. So first of all, let's start off with one of the simpler methods for editing. You have your cut, your copy, and your paste. Now, these are really great ways for you to move items around between slides, for example. So let's say I needed to bring some of these values across onto another slide. Let's say I want to bring in honesty and commitment, for example. I'm just going to go to new slide and I'm just going to hit blank. And then I'm just going to select honesty and customer commitment, hit Control C, then go to my next slide and hit Control V, and it's pasted it in the same area. Say I wanted these one on each slide. I'm just going to put the honesty one here, for example, and then I'm going to go to create a new slide, and this is where we can use the cut function. So Control X, and then we can hit Control V, and it will paste it in for us. And now you see we've got custom commitment and honesty both on two separate slides. Now you might note there's a bit of mismatch in formatting of all of our 9 values in this example. Now you can fix this by using Format Painter. Now you can select your desired format like we have for honesty, and you can click Format Painter in your clipboard section of the home pane on your ribbon. If you click that, and let's say I select let's select this one because we have no idea what this says. If we click that, you see it's copied across the formatting, the text, the font, and any other parts of the formatting. So if we have a look here, it's got bold, shadow, it's in font Sego UI, and it is of size 25. If we go into this one, you see it's Avenir Next LT Pro, size 44, italicized and underlined. Now you can do that one at a time, but this is where you can have a neat shortcut that can do it better for you. So let's select this honesty one, and we're going to hit Control, Shift, and C. Then we're going to select integrity, hold Control, click on all our other tiles that we want to fix. And once you've selected them all, hit Control, Shift, V. And as you see, we've now got all our values in a neat, consistent format. Say I accidentally hit the delete button and oh no, I've lost 6 of my 9 values. You can get them back by hitting Control Z and you will have all your values back. Obviously this is just an example, but it's also a good feature to know with Control Z as well. You can also use Control Y to repeat an action. So if I hit Control Y, you see I've now redeleted my values and I can just hit Control Z to go back. Say I want these 9 values to be grouped together. So I can select all 9 of them and then hit Control G. Now it is one item and I can move them all together at once. If you need to ungroup, you can right click on it and go to Group followed by Ungroup, and it will bring back all 9 tiles or whatever you have grouped back into their individual items. Say I need to find the word editing in my presentation, you can do Control F and type in the word you want to find. Now you can select whether you want it to match the case specifically as I've written it, or to find whole words only. And I'm just going to hit find next. And as you see, it's found the word editing on our slide 1. If we want to edit and replace a word or tons of the same word, we can do that too. So if I hit Control H, and let's say I want to replace the term honesty with the word truthfulness. If you hit that Control H, it brings up that window. You type in what you want to find, so honesty for example, replace it with truthfulness. Once you're happy, click replace all. And as you see, PowerPoint has made 2 replacements in my presentation. Again, if you want to run that change back, you can always hit Ctrl Z, and as you see, honesty on slide 2 and 3 have now returned. And then finally, if you want to copy all terms and items from a slide and move it to something else, or to select everything, you can just do that with Ctrl A on your slide, and as you can see, it has now selected everything there. If you are on this pane where you see all your slides and you hit Ctrl A, it will select all your slides.